Front load washing machine. Homewhiz setup. Purpose: using Homewhiz feature. Download and install the Homewhiz app from Play Store or the App Store. Open the app. Click on Add a new device button and select Cleaning devices. Press Washer. For setup, turn on Bluetooth on mobile and enter the SKU code provided on the label of the washing machine. After entering the code, press Continue. To pair the device, press Temperature and Bluetooth buttons on the washing machine simultaneously. The washing machine will be paired with the phone now. Input any name and press Next Step. And again press Go to My Devices button and select the paired washing machine. Turn the knob to Infinity Program and press Bluetooth button. The washing machine menu will be displayed on the phone screen. Select the desired program and press Play button. The selected program will be displayed on the washing machine and program cycle will start. The selected program can be controlled from the mobile phone using this feature.